Good morning, Dustin Troyan here at Supercar Sunday, and you guys have to check this out. I'm gonna do a walk around there. We're gonna talk to you about the car. This thing is absolutely unbelievable. We call it Supercar Sunday for a reason. You know, people think supercars, and this is a supercar. I mean, this is just incredible's not the word. This is a piece of art. This is why I put on the show right here. It looks like it's moving, standing still. These body lines are so graceful, so timeless. He pulled in, he had a huge crowd around him. I mean, this is a world-class car. And the nice thing about Supercar Sunday is guys just pull up in cars like this and...
Thank you. This is something you should win the Roadster Show or something.
Yeah, so Sean just said this is something that should win the Roadster Show. So tell us about your car.
Yeah, this is magnificent.
So I found it, I came upon it about 2013. I traded a Harley Davidson for it. It was in pretty rough shape, so we took it all apart. I learned how to sandblast, learned how to sand, put the fender on, take it off, you know, put the bumpers on, take it off. And just kind of came together.
And what does this car mean to you?
Oh, this is, man, I wouldn't trade this for, I wouldn't sell this for nothing.
I love it.
I wouldn't sell it for nothing.
Labor of love. That's
labor
amazing.
of love. It's a labor of love.
That's amazing.
You know,
Truly amazing.
like,
And it's just a beautiful car too. I mean,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
just, not only is it, I mean, it's a great build.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful car.
yeah, Jake and Alan Decker built it.
Yeah.
You know, I learned how to, like I said, learned how to sandblast, sand.
That's
you know.
great.
Yeah. It was like I was part of it.
Let's talk about the engine. Is it V12?
It's, no, it's
Okay.
a 350. It's got a Corvette front
Oh,
end.
perfect. So it's
yeah.
so it's a Pro Touring.
Well, you can
you
drive,
can drive it anywhere.
Yeah, you can drive it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I want. I want
No, that's
something
great.
reliable.
That's perfect.
Yeah, and
Fix it at any AutoZone. I mean, that's perfect.
yeah.
How long did it take you? Let's see those pictures. You had some pictures you showed me. Let's show it on the camera, the pictures. So you traded a Harley for it.
Traded a 46 knucklehead for it, and that's what it looked like when you pulled the cover off.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
And you saw it in that condition and said, I had to have it.
Well, yeah. I mean, I looked at that. It had sexy lines.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Wow.
So how long did it take to get from this condition to this condition?
It took 6 years, but probably 3 solid years.
Wow.
You know, to finish it. So yeah, it was in rough shape, man. I mean, you know,
That's amazing.
got all most of the parts on eBay.
Yeah.
Wow, really?
Yeah, eBay, man. Thank God for eBay.
God, you saved his life.
Yeah, you know, like headlights, taillights,
Yeah.
you know, interior. The interior is bone stock. Everything in the interior is stock.
So when you're at the house sitting there watching TV
Yeah.
and you get a little bored, you open your door to your garage and you go, man, I can't believe it's mine. Is that what happens?
I do that. Mike Perez, Blind Stitch Upholstery. He did the upholstery out of Whittier.
Okay.
And he said, I'll bet you go out in your garage and just look at this car.
Yeah.
I said, I do.
I know,
I would
exactly.
too, right?
I would too. It's
I
like,
do it, man. It's like,
that is rolling art. That
Yeah,
is
yeah.
rolling art.
It's unbelievable.
And the fact, you have the fact that you built it. I mean, with your sweat
yeah,
equity.
I was
That's
a big
amazing.
part of it. And that's what I don't know, man. I just have an attachment to it. You know what I mean? So,
I love it.
yeah, came
Good.
out really good.
I mean, this is a serious car.
This is
Thank
probably
you
the-
very
probably the
much.
nicest car here.
Serious
Yeah.
car, right?
Especially the backstory.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Sean's a big car
So
guy.
many
He knows a
people
lot
buy
about
their
cars.
stuff.
And
So many people buy their stuff.
if you guys watching this
stuff.
could see this in person, I mean, you can see the lines in the paint from the parking, right? You can see the Corvette next to in the bottom. I mean, this thing. Oh, it's phenomenal, right?
See, the fenders, the front and rear fenders have been kicked out 2 inches. So
Really?
he had to make the running boards. We wanted to blend it into the body. I said, it needs running boards. It's going to look like, you know,
Yeah.
this opening here. So he threw a piece of metal on the table, man, started rolling it and bending it. You know.
Wow.
It looks factory. Yeah.
Oh,
It does.
I'd put this up against a Delahaye or
How long is this
anything
car been
French.
done?
Huh?
How long has this car been finished?
Wow.
About 2 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So is that Earl Scheib?
Yeah.
Any car, any price. Well, listen, I want to thank you so much for not only sharing it, but for doing it, for making this car,
Yeah.
having
Thank
the
you.
vision, taking the 6 years, the
Yeah.
investment, and
Bringing it back.
frustration, time, money, but knowing that you're going to have something for posterity, for the rest of us to admire.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I mean, this is just such a beautiful
Oh
car.
yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, they won a Ventura Nationals in San Diego.
You gotta love it. Man who's proud of his car. Unbelievable. How are you? Good afternoon. What a car.